What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and today's we will be taking a deep comparison between the two of the most awaited smartphones in the price segment of the budget friendly smartphones. So if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Now these are the smartphones which are the Nothing Phone 1 and the Google Pixel 6a. So let's get started. So very first thing, let's talk about a design comparison of the smartphone. The Nothing Phone 1 comes with the front protection of the Gorilla Glass Victus, and on the back you also get to see a Gorilla Glass 2. It has an aluminum frame and the phone also comes with the IP68 water resistance and weight just around 200 grams. Whereas the Pixel 6a comes with a Gorilla Glass 3, it has a plastic black and it has an aluminum frame, and the phone weighs around 178 grams, which is lighter than the Pixel when compared to the Nothing Phone 1, and the phone also has a IP67 water and dust resistance. Apart from that, both of these smartphones follows a unique design philosophy. The Nothing comes with the transparent back, whereas the Pixel 6a has its unique look from the Pixel 6. Apart from that, moving forward from the display, then the display of the Nothing Phone 1 is the 6.6 inch of a Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz of high refresh rate, whereas the Pixel 6a has a different approach with a 6.1 inch of an OLED panel, and it has a standard 60Hz of high refresh rate, which is not exactly high one, but a standard high refresh rate of 60Hz. The battery capacity of both of these smartphones is almost similar, but what matters is the charging speed. The Phone 1 comes with a 4500 mAh battery with a 45 watt of fast charging support, and both of these smartphones supports a reverse wireless charging too, whereas the Pixel 6a comes with a 4300 mAh battery with 18 watt of charging, and the charger will be sold separately and it will not be included in the box. The camera setup is very subjective to everyone, as both of these smartphones will be coming with a dual camera setup, and in case of Nothing's Phone 1, it will be coming with a 108 megapixel or the 50 megapixel of a primary camera, and an ultra-wide secondary camera will be an ultra-wide camera. But in case of the Google's approach over here, it will be coming, both cameras will be of 12 megapixels. One will be the main sensor and another one is going to be an ultra-wide camera. Now Google comes very good when compared to the processing of these photos in a smartphone, which is again a positive for Google over here. The front cameras of Nothing Phone 1 is 32 megapixel, whereas the Pixel has a 8 megapixel of a front control selfie camera. Now apart from these major specifications, what comes is the processor. Then the processor of the Nothing Phone 1 is the Snapdragon 778 Plus, whereas the Google Pixel is going to come with the Tensor custom chip, which is being built by the Google. Apart from that, the features and other connectivity features of both of these smartphones again lies with some common features, which are the under the display fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers setup, no headphone jack in both of these smartphones, a USB Type-C for charging and data transfer, NFC is present on both of these smartphones, Bluetooth 5.2, and both of these smartphones are indeed 5G ready. But we have to wait for the 5G to officially come in India, as right now it's not even unknown whether both of these smartphones 5G is going to launch in India. Now talking about the major concern, which is the price of these smartphones, then the Pixel 6a has been launched at 500 euros or the dollars, and it has been expected this smartphone to be coming in India for around 35 to 40,000 rupees. Well, apart from the guesses from the Nothing Phone 1, that smartphone is expected to be the price of the very budget friendly around 30,000 rupees price bracket, and the Nothing Phone 1 is launching on July 12th of the upcoming month. Well, not only that, the Pixel 6a isn't being right now being confirmed when is this smartphone going to launch, and it's still a suspense when this smartphone is going to launch in India. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you feel about this video, and consider subscribing to our channel if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.